I'm Kristina Orrling, Program Manager at Lygature, and I think you should join me in my session at the Partnership Meetup the 1st of November. It's about post-innovation innovation. We want to create the best conditions for unlocking the potential and repurpose drugs. How would the perfect platform look like? Join me and a set of fantastic speakers from industry, non-profit organizations and consultancy to discuss the business and science aspects of repurposing drugs. We think that there are plenty of compounds that have somehow got stuck in the drug development pipeline or have had their glory days already, and we want to give them a new life to improve lives of patients and save lives. Pioneering medicine together.